Hey guys, yesterday we saw in our video that Samsung might replace the Galaxy S21 FE with this year's Note series. And today we have good news for you all Galaxy FE lovers out there. As we all know that the Galaxy S20 FE was a huge success thanks to the combination of features it offers at an attractive price point. This year the smartphone will be succeeded by the Galaxy S21 FE. The smartphone is expected to be officially unveiled sometime in the second half of this year. Now the official looking renders of the smartphone have been leaked for the first time. Reliable leakster Evan Blass has published the renders of the Galaxy S21 FE on Twitter, revealing the phone's design, color options and some features. The smartphone appears to have a design that quite similar to the Galaxy S21 Plus, however with a plastic camera housed instead of metal and a metal frame. The Galaxy S21 FE has a bezel-less screen at the front and a triple camera setup at the rear. Let's take a look at the specification of the phone. Going by previous leak and reports, the Galaxy S21 FE features a 6.5 inches Super AMOLED Infinity O display with Full HD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. The smartphone will run Android 11 out of the box and will be equipped with the Snapdragon 888 processor. It will have 6GB or 8GB RAM and 128GB or 256GB internal storage. It might lack a micro SD card slot though, so storage space expansion might not be possible. The Galaxy S21 FE is rumored to feature a 32 megapixel selfie camera similar to that of the Galaxy S20 FE. At the rear, it could have a 12 megapixel camera with iOS, a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 8 megapixel or a 12 megapixel telephoto camera. Its connectivity options could include 5G, GPS, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, NFC and a USB Type-C port. The phone is powered by a 4500 mAh battery and will support 25-watt fast charging, fast wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. Other features of the upcoming fan edition smartphone could include stereo speakers, IP68 certification for dust and water resistant, Samsung Pay and an under-display fingerprint reader. Although the complete package of the phone has almost similar to the Galaxy S21 Plus, but we have to see that Samsung will launch this at which price point, because the Galaxy S20 FE was launched at the price tag of $699. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. For that said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.